Here's how to sign up for a Coast account. First, head over to zeroxcoast.com, then click sign up. For this example, we chose to continue with a Google account, but you can also choose to enter an email or continue with Apple. When you choose to continue with a Google account, you'll be taken to an account registration page on the Coast website. Fill in the applicable information, then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to verify using a mobile device. Use your phone to scan the code, then verify your account with a chosen form of identification. Scan your identification, then capture an encrypted 3D face scan. You'll then see that identification may be further investigated. Refer to the progress bar back on the Coast website to track your ID verification process. Once verified, log in and your account will be ready to connect to your wallet. Use your email to log in, then a secure sign-in link will be sent to your email. Log into your email and follow the link. You'll need to connect to your crypto wallet. To connect a wallet, click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. We'll use MetaMask for this example. When prompted, add MetaMask to your browser. We recommend using Chrome. Once you have the MetaMask app, click either Import an existing wallet or create a new wallet. Follow the steps to log in using your private key. Once your wallet is ready, click Done. Don't forget to pin MetaMask to your browser. To pin MetaMask, click the browser extension icon, then click the pin icon. Back on the Coast website, refresh the page. Your account is now ready to use. Regarding KYC compliance and security, we understand that KYC can be a sensitive topic, especially in a time when the security of personal data matters more than ever. When you create an account on the Coast platform, you're effectively opening your own bank account, and we've worked hard to make that process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Just like any traditional financial institution, we are required to follow KYC or Know Your Customer protocols. This is a standard due diligence process used to verify identity and meet regulatory obligations. Without it, Coast simply couldn't operate. Some on-ramps do offer no KYC services, but these usually come with low transaction limits and no off-ramp capabilities, which makes them impractical for many users. Coast is built differently. We're an on-ramp with no transaction limits, aligned with our mission to maximise the flow of capital into PulseChain while maintaining user self-custody. That said, if Coast isn't the right fit for you, that's completely okay. We support any service that helps users access PulseChain. We're all part of the same ecosystem and we're glad you're here.